Okay, let's solve this problem. This is problem number 5.37. So it's the summing amplifier. So we know the formula for this summing amplifier. That is the output voltage V naught is equal to minus of R of by R1 into V1 plus R of by R2 into V2 plus R of by R3 into V3. Here this is your R1 value, this is R2 and this is R3 and this is your RF and this is V1, V2 and V3. So just you need to substitute all these values in the formula. Okay, and also here all the resistor values are given in kilo ohms, so we need not mention that kilo ohms, that is into 10 power 3 something like that. Okay, so simply I'll put the values as 30 by 10 something like that. Okay, so we'll solve it. So V naught is equal to minus of, so what is this, R of by R1? So it is 30 by 10 into V1 is 3 plus R of by R2. So 30 by 20 into this 5.4 volts plus R of by R3 value is 30 by 30 into minus 3.5. Okay, so this is 3 times and here 3 by 2 into 5.4, here it becomes 1. So this is minus of 3 into 3 9 plus 3 by 2 into 5.4, so that is equal to 8.1, then minus 3.5, so this is equal to minus 13.6 volts. So the answer for this case is V naught is equal to minus 13.6 volts. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.